Hello everyone. In today's video we're gonna look at a very interesting formation. We're gonna be looking at the triangles. Maybe some of you are familiar with them, some of you are not, but we're gonna explain how it works. And this is actually a very powerful formation, and it actually happens quite often. And the power of this formation is really strong. So we actually quite often use this in our trading. But before we start with the whole explanation of this formation, we would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel, guys. That really help us. It really motivates us to keep making more videos, try to gather more content for you, and try to break it down so you can understand it and then implement it in your trading. Also, you can like the video as well, smash that like button. And now let's start with the formation. You can see we're on gold USA dollar. We're on a 4-hour chart, and we're looking at the uptrend. We're having a nice, very nice bullish trend. And you can actually see here those two big candles. We have one bullish and one bearish. That was actually a nice opportunity to get some profits in this correction here. We missed that opportunity, but that's okay. We're gonna be looking now to go long. It depends if actually on the formation, if we see the triangle formation, there is a nice chances of this happening, but of course we're gonna have to wait for some confirmations, and we're gonna explain actually why there is this big probability of this happening. But we'll explain a little later on when actually the candles are forming, and it's easier for you to understand. Now let me grab some trend lines and try to draw our triangle on the chart so you can actually visualize it. And by the way, guys, it's always good to draw this on your chart, because after a while, yes, you're gonna be able to recognize it without even drawing those trend lines. But you can check for yourself that it's always better when you have those lines on the chart. It kind of works like a blueprint for you, and it's easier to spot. Sometimes you can miss something just because you think you know everything, and you don't need those trend lines. But trust me, it's always better to have it on your chart. Now I'm gonna forward the video, and we're a few hours later, guys, and as you can see, we're gonna have to readjust our triangle, because the price actually went up and then went back down. So we're gonna readjust this trend line, because we now are forming a new bottom right here. So this is basically how our triangle looks like right now. And actually you can see that it still looks pretty good. So we're waiting on the price to break through this trend line, the upper trend line, so we can enter you can enter the trade. As I said, we still looking good. We still like what we see, and the only thing we can do right now is basically wait for this price. You see how the price tried to break twice through this trend line. It didn't work out very well, but now let's see. It looks like the price is rejecting where our trend line is. There is a forming of some bullish movement again, so we definitely like what we see. And again, guys, we have actually break off this trend line. I'm just gonna quickly readjust our lines. So as you can see, we already have a break of this line, so we're gonna go ahead and open a position here. We set our stop loss. As you can see, we have a wider stop loss, and the reason for that is because when we keep overnight overnight positions, we like to have wider stop loss. How you can determine your take profit? You can simply get another trend line and draw from the bottom to top in the triangle, and this is how you this is what you can expect as you know, what kind of size you can get of the pie, if I can say that. This is basically what we expect as a take profit. You know, always, as I said, from top to bottom or from bottom to top, this is the size that the wider size of the triangle. This is what you can expect. You know, we always go for 80%. We barely keep our position open to take profit, but now let's talk because I started about the stop loss. We set a wider stop loss, but of course you can move the stop loss upper on the previous bottom, or you can even go riskier, but we don't suggest that. Now I'm forwarding the video again, guys, and you can see that we were in a profit for quite a while, and then the price went back down. And why do we open another position? Now you probably would be wondering, because this is fourth time that the price is having trouble breaking through this level, but as you can see, this trend line is respected, and that's second time after we draw this trend line that the price is respecting. We are having a nice engulfing bullish candle, which gives us a hint that the price may you know, start going up like stronger. Maybe the bulls are now finally taking control of the market. So that's why we open another position. You can see we tighten up a little bit on our stop loss, and like I said before, when you keep your position overnight, it's quite risky to have tight stop loss, and the reason for that, guys, is those spreads. You know, nighttime the spreads are getting bigger, and it always sucks, you know, to be right, and you know, you set your stop loss, your take profit, and the price just hit your stop loss just because of the spread, just because it's getting bigger spread overnight, and then, you know, the price went back up and hit your take profit, but guess what, you were already out of the game. So, you know, this is one of the things that a lot of traders have trouble with, and you know, they don't realize that the price doesn't always go right into your direction. Sometimes it makes corrections, so you have to be patient, and sometimes you just have to give room to your trades. We are a couple hours again, actually. I think that's maybe quite a few days later, and this is just beautiful. You can see those big bullish candles, and the price is already in our direction. We are in a beautiful beautiful profits, and oh, this shows you guys the power of this formation. And but also keep in mind, now we're looking at those candles, but you know, you can see how the price wasn't going in our direction right away. So for some of you that you know, get in the trade and they expect to just right away make a quick buck or stuff like this, there is a lot of patience. So when you trade that kind of formation, you're gonna have to be patient. So you first have to wait for the break, then if you wait for a confirmation, and you have to be really patient with that formation. But from here we can also almost see that our take profit that we draw with the trend line is it's almost hit. We're pretty close to it. So at some point you guys can just close your profits and you know, look for another opportunity. Or what we like to do, and this is one of the things that you know, we always suggest, move your stop loss in profit. This is the best thing you would do. I'm forwarding the video again for you, and you can see how we already moved our stop loss on profit. So we already guarantee our profit, so there is no way we're gonna lose on those trades. And you can see the price is actually reaching the 100% of the take profit, which, as I said, we usually go for 80%. So this is a tip, guys, because you know, we always try to give you some good information at the end of the video, and this is something really important. 90% of the time the price will reverse when it reaches 80% of the movement that we're talking about. As an example, with this trend line that we draw, in this case it hit the 100% because the power of the trend is extremely strong, but most of the time it will make a correction or it might reverse. You know, you never know. So that's why this is one of the things that we recommend you just close your trades when the price reaches 80% of the movement that you were expecting. The other thing that we said, move always the stop loss into a profit. There is no way you're gonna lose if you're in a profit. So that's something extremely important. And one other thing, guys, this is actually a nice secret that not a lot of people know, and not a lot of people like to say, but the trend line that we have, the bottom trend line, why we were so you know, convinced and relaxed about this trade is the way that the trend line looks like. That's the thing that gives us confidence. So it's under a 40 around 45 around 45 the angle of it, it's like 45. So you know, this is something really important. It looks sharp, it looks like the price is getting you know, motion, getting into a motion. So it was about to explode, you know. There was so many times the price was having trouble breaking through this level, but was at the same time respecting this trend line. So that's what gives us you know, idea that maybe the bulls are just like, you know, trying to get more momentum, and then the price will just explode. So this is something very important to notice and realize. And when you see that the price is respecting that kind of a trend line with that angle, this is something that you should consider for sure, you know, respecting and use it in your favor. But that was everything for these videos, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed that video, and if so, you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel. That really helps us a lot, you know, keep making more videos. You can share it with your friends so they can learn as well, and we really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Bye bye.